Now, the question we have on the board is exercise question 2.3, which is define the following terms: mole fraction, molality, molarity, and mass percentage. So let's start defining them. First term is mole fraction. It is defined as the ratio of number of moles of a component in the solution to the total number of all the components in the solution. Mathematically, number of mole fraction X is equal to number of moles of component divided by number of moles of all the components in the solution. So this is how we will define the mole fraction. Next, we are moving towards second term, which is molality. So molality, it is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Mathematically, molality, it is denoted by small m, is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. So this is how we define molality. Next term is molarity. it is defined as the number of moles of solute present in present in 1 liter solution. Mathematically, it can be written as molarity denoted by capital M equals number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. And the next term is mass percentage. Mass percentage it is defined as mass of solute present in 100 gram of solution. So mathematically it can be written as mass percentage equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. So this is how we define mass percentage, and this is the answer to the question.